Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have household empties. So these Glade solid air fresheners. I have this one in Cashmere Woods, which was just okay. It doesn't have a very strong throw. I use these in the bathroom, so in a small space. You can smell it a little at the beginning, but it fades off to about nothing, especially towards the end. So this one's just okay. It's not great for the bathroom. Now this one, on the other hand, is one of my favorites, and it's just the clean linen. I think they also have like a fresh scent kind of thing, which I really like, and it's just the same kind of air freshener. This one you can smell all 30 days that it's in the bathroom, and it works. It smells really nice and strong. Nice clean scent. Sure Fresh 45 count storage sandwich bags. These have a double zipper, and for $1.25, 45 is not bad. They do have boxes now at the DollarTree that have 50 bags, so 5 more bags, and they are good for lots of things, lots of storing, not just sandwiches, and I will repurchase these. I already have. They're great. The tall kitchen bags, these are 13-gallon drawstring, 20 bags. At Walmart, these were $2 and something. These were fine. They were great. The only thing is, sometimes the drawstring does kind of rip the bag or like want to come out of its designated area in the bag. But overall, these are a great bag for the price you pay. It's like $2 and something. Sponges, Scrub Buddies Nail Guard sponges. These are the non-scratch, and the value pack of 3 of them. Usually they do come in only the 2-pack. These are the colorful nail guard sponges. I do prefer the 6-pack, but I will buy these if they don't have the 6-pack. These are nice. They work just as good. They last just as long, and I use them for dishes, so they serve their purpose. And I will always repurchase Scrub Buddy sponges. They're nice for the price. And also from Scrub Buddies, I went through 2 of the 2-in-1 quick eraser, and these have the quick eraser on one side and a sponge on the other, and these are quite large for sponges. Sometimes you can get these in like a 3-pack bonus pack, and I will cut them in 2. I always cut them in 2 and use them that way. So technically I got 8 sponges out of these. These are amazing. These are my last 2 boxes too, so I'm going to have to repurchase. And I use the magic eraser to deep clean with and scrub with the sponge side. And they serve their purpose very well and for what they are. And of course, over time, the white on the magic eraser kind of disappears. That's what one that I'm currently using looks like. But they last a while, and they hold up really, really well. So this is cut in half as well. Great product. Disinfecting, antibacterial kind of products. I have these BioPure disinfecting surface wipes. These are bleach free. There were 72 in here. I believe I got these at Walmart quite a while ago. They were like $1, $2. Did what they're supposed to. I used them to wipe countertops down, toys, this and that, just anything that needed disinfecting, and they worked, and they had a really nice like fresh lemony scent, which I really loved. And then this is a repurchase. I will always repurchase some kind of like disinfecting wipes, and this Comet antibacterial spray cleaner. This is a multi-purpose like kind of cleaner, but I use this in the kitchen, and it's antibacterial, and it cuts through grease and grime, so it's perfect for like stove tops, countertops, and things like that. Plus it's disinfecting as well, and I really like this product. It comes in a spray bottle as well. And then for a bathroom cleaner, I went through the LA's Totally Awesome Daily Shower Cleaner in the fresh scent. This is 32 fluid ounces. You can buy, I love the packaging on this. It looks very like more high-end or sleek for the Dollar Tree, but you can find this at your Dollar Tree in different kinds of multi-cleaners. There's a couple different scents to this, and there is a clear version of this which I really like, And then I got the yellow one, which just says the same thing, but it's just yellow tinted cleaner inside. That scent is way more, even though it says it's fresh scent, is way more high pitched and chemically smelling versus the one that is clear. So I do prefer the clear one, but $1.25, it works great in the bathroom. I'll continue to repurchase this cleaner, and you can find this cleaner also at the Dollar General for only $1. Laundry items. Lots of fabric sheets, 3 different kinds. I just kind of had like bits and bobs of pieces and went through them all, and they pretty much all do the same thing. They take static out of your clothes, they help soften clothes, and they sometimes help give your clothes some extra scent from after being washed. And so Arm & Hammer one, the Tropical Paradise, smells amazing. Honeysuckle, this one's from the DollarTree. This one I've repurchased so many times. I love this one. And these Breezy boxes, which this one has 40 from the DollarTree, and this one has 55 from the DollarTree. So both really great deals if you buy fabric softener sheets. So these are great. You can also use fabric sheets for a variety of other things. You can use them to dust with, clean TVs, put in drawers. I'm sure there's so many other things you can use or do with dryer sheets. More laundry items and final items. LA is totally awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener. Love this stuff. I repurchase this all the time. 42 fluid ounces, 21 loads. I actually get about 11 loads out of this. For what it is, I usually do large loads. It smells great. It does leave a nice fresh scent in clothing, and it cleans our clothes. So what more do you want? You can get this for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree or $1 at the Dollar General in their dollar aisle. This stuff is great. This comes in a variety of different scents. You can get it with plus fabric softener, by itself, stain remover, with oxy. There's a ton of different varieties of these. And Swabbable Complete, I love this one. It's the Soothing Lavender scent. You get 12 loads in this one. It has color protection, helps with wrinkles, freshness, and stain remover. My favorite. I use this in Connor's clothes. It's really nice. And scent boosters. This one is an in-wash scent booster and fresh. This one is from Dollar Tree. It smells amazing. It lasts a really long time on your clothing. Like, I'm talking about weeks after you wash them. You can still smell this on your clothes. This is great. I highly recommend this one. And last but not least, from Powerhouse, I have this scent booster, and it is in Lavender Burst. And I got this one because it was 12 ounces. I'm not the biggest fan of lavender. This had a faint scent. Like, it smelled good, but it doesn't linger in your clothes like the fresh scent from Dollar Tree. So that's something to keep in mind. I think you might be able to get this one at Dollar General as well. Still a really good deal for what they are. And they do work. It's just this one works better. So I definitely recommend this one. And that is all my household empties today. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, enjoyed the reviews. If you have any other comments or questions regarding any of the products that you see, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you so much for watching.